guys, welcome back to our channel. If you are new here, we are Angela and LJ.
And our normal day, we are sailing around Australia, documenting our travels along the way.
Leave us a comment and don't forget to like and subscribe. Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, all.
So, where are we gonna go?
Well, we have a different car and we're going to a different destination.
Yes, we will try to find somewhere that we can swim.
Yep.
And also we have our new little gas stove and we're gonna cook up and this
Big fat juicy T-bone steak.
yes, it's going to be different this
Yep.
time. So
And a nice hot spring to swim in.
yeah.
Hint, hint.
Yep. So come along and join us. Our destination, the stunning Edith Falls and Hot Springs, located just north of Katherine. It's going to be an incredible day exploring the natural beauty of this region. Looking very handsome. Nice haircut.
Oh, because you done my haircut. Woo! Very good job.
So yeah, see you on the road. Pine Creek lookout. Just stop for here to have a look. And this is what it's look like here. Wow, what a beautiful lookout.
Yep, so this was an open pit mine. They dug it down. The deepest part in the water here is 135 meters deep.
Oh, wow.
But yeah, now it's like a big swimming pool.
Yeah, but beautiful.
Yeah.
So what is this here?
So over the lifetime of the mine, they had a production of 64,000 ounces, which was $393 million worth at 1995 prices.
Wow, that's
So
a lot of money in that time.
Might be billions of dollars worth now.
Yeah.
As you can see there.
We create a beautiful view here.
Yeah, absolutely. The widest part of it is 250 meters across.
Yeah. You have a chance that you can get some gold here too, if you're gonna have a look, eh?
Probably not just right here, but yeah, there's obviously in Northern Territory there'd be quite a few areas I'd imagine there'd be worth gold detecting or looking at.
Yeah.
You can see some of the mine work that goes on down through here. You can see the edges. They've either strip mined or something down through there as well.
Been dug in there too.
Yeah.
What is that?
These are the mine shafts that they dug.
Oh,
They
shit.
dug a mine shaft there, and then by the looks of this, they followed the seam of gold right down through there, which led down to mining all that down there.
He lived from there and then dug that hole.
Well, they would have found the gold here, I would say. Somewhere just around here they found the gold. They've dug it down there so far, and it's probably stopped. So they've shifted across and they found the seam, and they followed the seam from here, and they followed all the way down, which runs down into that ravine down there, and then they started mining it.
God. Gold was first discovered at Nervayam Creek in 1817 post holes that were being dug for the overland telegraph line. Mining began on a small scale soon after. Activities expand. See it?
Yeah, that's a deep one, isn't it?
God.
Or deeper one.
How did the tree get in there? So where we are now?
We're at Edith Falls. We made it here.
Yes, we made it here. And
No swimming at the moment.
no swimming because the water is pretty high.
Yep, a lot of water coming down through the falls. Beautiful, beautiful place.
Beautiful cliff.
Yeah, nice cliff. Everything's so green in the territory because it's coming into the wet season or start of the wet season.
Yes.
You enjoy that?
I love it. Beautiful view. Beautiful.
Yeah, it looks really cool, eh?
I still wanted to show you what this place looked like during the dry season, when it's open and people can swim here. Imagine crystal clear water cascading down the rocks and natural pools where you can relax and enjoy the stunning surroundings.
So our next spot, we'll go zip down and have a look at the
Katherine Hot Springs.
hot
And
springs.
maybe we can go for a swim in there because it's getting hot here in the Northern Territory. So yeah, let's go.
Let's go.
Let's go back to the car. Beautiful pathway to walk, right?
Yes, everything's so green in the...
We're gonna go here.
I'll follow you, how's that?
Go ahead. Look, lots of spiders, no?
Yeah, lots of spiders. I know how much you love them.
I really can see it. Very green.
Yeah, a little bit hard to get in there. What's going inside there?
Oi!
Hmm?
Not allowed. We talk about this.
Oh,
Welcome to Australia.
you're so naughty, aren't you?
It's for a secret. Yeah. Let's go back to the car and heading to Katherine Hot Springs. So, welcome to Katherine. We're here and this is what it looks like. Pretty busy town.
We're here. We've got to walk down to there.
Okay. Beautiful gum tree. I am very excited to have a really good swim, but the water, it's hot, so still hot. But it's not a fresh water. It's just a hot spring.
Oh, I think it's funny.
Really?
Look.
No way. It says open.
Hey?
It says open in the Google map. No. It is closed. God. The Catherine Spring is closed for the duration of wet season. Warning, this is not maintained during the period. God.
Well, that's a real bummer.
We drive from Darwin to go here just to have a look this hot spring. Yeah, but it says in the Google map it's open, so
Yeah.
that's a bummer. I'm looking forward to have a good swim.
Yeah, you and me both.
Yeah. So what now?
Well, I don't know. We'll go and find something else to do.
We're going to find somewhere to just park and probably have a lunch because we're getting
Yeah.
hungry.
They've done a lot of work since I was last here. None of these rocks or anything were here like this. This
Yeah.
is all,
You've done a pretty good job.
yeah, this is all new. Very good. Bummer.
Bummer. A bummer. I still wanted to show you what this place looked like during the dry season, when it's open and people can swim here. Imagine crystal clear water cascading down the rocks and natural pools where you can relax and enjoy the stunning surroundings. So we go back to the Pine Creek lookout and we suggest that this is where we're gonna go cook up our lunch because it's 12 o'clock now. And we have this little gas stove. Just in here?
That's the reason it's come undone.
Why?
Okay. I know, I was just wondering why.
Oh, it's still good. With the salt. Beautiful frying pan. Just gonna cook up in here. I'm very looking forward to something to eat. Wow, yummy. That's a steak. I'm just gonna put that one in there.
Yeah,
What?
just like just sit here. Goodness gracious.
So we eat that up?
Will you eat all that? I don't know, that's a lot of meat to eat.
Yeah, that's a lot of meat to eat. Just salt. Very simple.
That slab of beef in there.
Yummy! Can you hear that? Sizzling.
Sizzle.
Smells good. Looking good.
Smells good, looks good.
Yeah.
It's a real treat for us, isn't it?
Yep. As you already know, we have a beautiful view at the back. Beautiful place to have a picnic
Yep. Beautiful spot.
Beautiful. Get,
To the hot-
swim in the hot spring.
Yeah, would have been nice if we even got there to have a look.
Yeah.
But anyhow, never mind.
Feels good. Our lunch is fixed. Now we're just gonna tuck in.
Absolutely yummo.
Yummy! See you in the road when we finish here, and we will be back in the boat.
Looks beautiful.
Look how beautiful is that.
Nice bit of pan sauce, ripped up,
Yummy!
cooked beautifully.
Alright. So we're currently here. Our last stop at this water dump. Don't give me that.
Says no swimming.
Pretty clean water.
Yeah, actually. Few fish swimming around.
Is it? Fill the water. It's pretty warm water.
Yeah, it is just here. Oh. Wouldn't want to go in too much. There's a few fish here though.
Yeah. Yeah, we don't want to go more closer.
Quite a lot of small fish in here.
Beauty.
Very peaceful.
Yep. You right?
Absolutely.
Ready to go home now?
Getting close to go. Yeah. Been a long drive. Driving lesson take 2. Buckle up.
Already here near the water.
Yeah, we want to go backwards, not forwards, whatever you do.
Oh, don't give me the
Next minute.
I'm nervous.
You're nervous.
Alright. What I'm gonna do first.
Relations
Yep.
with Dolly Parton.
Give it a few revs. Just a little bit. And take your foot off the brake.
Stand-in Aussie Test captain Steve Smith has backed the decision to include Cooper Connolly in the squad for the tour of Sri Lanka. Smith says he's excited.
Bingo!
Fuck!
Don't FFF.
He's done really well, and I like the prospect of
Might want to go this way a little bit.
ball away from the right hander.
Oh no, spin it
And
around.
Nick Kyrgios says he feels fine after a hit out at Melbourne Park this morning. He has been battling
Keep-
an abdominal strain, but says
We're gonna
he's
go
good to
there.
That's the latest
Keep going backwards.
news.
Turn it this way a bit. Righto, whoop, whoop, whoop. Righto, now you're right.
Your location for new and top quality used cars.
Let's drive?
Afternoon, pretty good out there at the moment.
Does it say dirt for drive?
That's D there.
Yeah.
Kavanagh Street. Also busy around the Casuarina Shops. No problems though.
Your chair needs to come up a bit higher. You look like... Oh my god, I'm scared.
How to make this?
The same as you made, the same as you do yours. Just stop and put your foot on the brake and stop. And do it.
Honey,
Where?
guess what?
In here?
The
Yeah.
home territory brand over the weekend.
Okay.
Top
Righto.
34 in Darwin, 36 and 35 in the rural area.
Even though we couldn't take a dip today, it has still been a lovely trip. And we've got so much more to explore. Stay tuned for our next adventure. It's going to be a good one. Thanks for coming along with us, and we will see you in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more adventures like this one.